All right, let's dive in, shall we? Today we're tackling outdoor cooking,
Oh, yeah.
which, let's be honest, can be a little intimidating.
Absolutely.
But, with the right knowledge, it can be really fun.
For sure. And rewarding.
So we're going deep today.
Deep dive.
Exactly. Using some notes you gave me.
Right?
And this awesome guide, Tips for Successful Outdoor Cooking.
I mean, who doesn't want that, right?
Nobody.
No. We all want successful outdoor cooking adventures, whether it's camping, backyard barbecue, you name it.
You got it.
We want you to nail it.
Absolutely. And one thing that people tend to overlook is the planning.
Right.
The planning part is so important. It's not just about I've got my gear. You got to think about everything.
Totally. And my notes, it just says meal planning, which I feel like most people listening to this are probably already doing. What are some kind of next level planning tips?
Well, honestly, it all depends on what kind of trip you're taking.
Mm-hmm.
A weekend car camping?
Very different from, if you're going on a week-long backpacking adventure. So if it's a shorter trip, prepping your ingredients at home is a game changer.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Chopping veggies, portioning out your spices in little baggies or containers. Picture yourself at the campsite.
Oh, I love that. Pre-chopped veggies.
Right.
In little Ziploc baggies.
Exactly. It saves so much time and hassle.
Makes everything so much easier.
Way easier, But for longer trips, you might be thinking about dehydrating meals at home.
Oh, that's smart.
Or planning around shelf-stable ingredients, things that aren't going to go bad.
See, now this is the pro stuff. Okay, next on my notes, bold letters, big section, gear.
Okay, gear.
Fire starters.
Fire starters.
Full disclosure, I'm a little intimidated.
I get it.
Are those really necessary?
Okay, so fire starters, definitely lifesavers, especially if you are new to building fires or if the wood is damp, things like that. But let's talk bigger picture. Stove versus grill.
No.
What are you picturing?
So I always thought stoves were better for backpacking.
Yeah.
Because they're smaller, lighter.
Right.
But wouldn't a grill give you more control?
You are right. Grills do offer that more even heat distribution, which is great for certain things, like if you want to sear meat or cook some delicate fish.
Oh, interesting.
But here's a little secret weapon. Cast iron skillet. Works amazing on both.
Oh, true.
Heavy.
Yes.
But that heat retention.
Unbelievable.
Can't beat the versatility.
Okay, my notes here reminding me, got to be mindful of sustainability, right? So any tips on moving away from the single-use aluminum foil?
The foil. Okay. Reusable containers are your best friend.
Good idea.
You can find biodegradable foil alternatives these days.
Oh, that's cool.
And if you want to get really adventurous, try wrapping food in banana leaves.
Whoa.
Or cabbage leaves.
Okay, I never would have thought of that.
Adds a really unique flavor.
Okay, I have to try that.
Yeah. It's fun. And speaking of fun.
Yes. Let's talk about the actual cooking.
The main event.
I'm so excited for this part.
Right. This is where all that pre-trip planning really pays off. You've got your ingredients prepped.
Yeah.
You're organized. It's just going to make the cooking process so much smoother.
So much less stressful.
Absolutely. And when you're less stressed...
You have more fun.
Exactly. You can really enjoy the process, experiment a little.
Totally. But let's not forget about safety.
Oh, absolutely.
Which my notes also mention here.
So important.
And obviously being careful with fire is a big one.
Huge.
But what are some things that maybe people don't always think about?
Wildlife.
Oh, right.
This is a big one. Secure your food properly.
Even if you think you're far away from anything.
Doesn't matter. A curious raccoon.
Oh, yeah.
Or a bear.
They'll find you.
They'll find you. They'll ruin your dinner plans in a second.
Oh, for sure. I've had a whole bag of chips stolen by a raccoon.
See? It happens.
It happens. So secure the food, keep the wildlife away. And I guess that also ties into
waste disposal.
Yes.
Keeping things clean. Keep your trash tightly sealed, away from your sleeping area.
So important. Okay, we've covered a lot today.
We have.
Planning, gear, sustainability, safety.
Hit all the high points.
I feel like the key takeaway here is...
Be prepared.
Yes, be prepared, but also...
Be adaptable. Have fun.
Have fun with it. You're not in your kitchen. Things might go wrong.
Exactly. It's all part of the experience.
This is an adventure.
Exactly. And every outdoor cooking experience is unique. The more you do it, the more tips and tricks you pick up, your own personal style develops.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to try things.
Exactly. Experiment. Learn from your mistakes. That's when you become a true outdoor cooking pro.
So much good advice. Now go forth and cook.
Get out there.
And please share your experiences with us. We want to hear your tips, your tricks,
your triumphs,
your maybe not so triumphant moments,
disasters.
The disasters. We want to hear it all. We'll see you next time.
Happy cooking.
Bye.